Do you ever find yourself at an event and there's a panel with like a ton of people talking? Well, this little tool has really helped us out lately. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So this is an inexpensive yet super handy tool that has really helped us out on event productions lately. It's a sleeve that can be used with the Rode Wireless Pros. Before having this tool, we would have to mic up each person on a panel, which could be like 8 to 10 people at times. And that became such a hassle that now when there is a large panel, we can simply use this sleeve to slip onto the microphone, add the wireless mic, and then when panelists are speaking into the mic for the house speakers to pick up, we also get a great feed as well. What are your thoughts on this little product? Leave them in the comments below, and if you have any questions or production needs, don't hesitate to reach out. And there's a panel with like a ton of people talking. Well, sorry, I lost what pocket it was in. I found it, I got it now. I'm gonna keep it in my sleeve like a magician.